Alright, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? So today we're gonna be opening up a carpet that I picked up from one of my buddies. Thank you, Corwin. A couple days back, and so I figured let's open it up. It's a gray one, and that'll definitely be an improvement from what I have inside Jacky at the moment. And I don't know, let's clean it before we actually start taking the seats and the carpet out. That will be in a different video. Because I also want to clean the seats. I'm going to be trying this new method. I picked up some degreaser from 99 cents that a couple of dudes always use, and hopefully I can apply it to this and make it look a little bit nicer. I haven't seen it other than pictures, so it should look better, I guess. Can't hurt it. I chose this specific time because I also wanted to get it dry as soon as possible. So let's open it up and see how. Let's see the quality of it. It shouldn't be too bad. Alright guys, so like I said, I'll be using this degreaser. Picked it up from 99 cents, and additional soap, a mixture of car stuff, and a mixture of dishes. So like I said, we're gonna start from this side. Even though this entire part almost no one's gonna see, I just kind of want to test it out and see how it goes. And definitely this part, I do want to put some emphasis. If you guys can wear gloves, I would definitely recommend wearing gloves. I don't have any at the moment. Thing starts. Obviously, I'm using hot water as well. Let's spray a little bit more. Spray on the actual brush, and I also add a little bit of car soap on this. Right off the bat, you can see that there is a huge difference, but again, because the carpet hasn't been cleaned at all, it's not bad. There you go. I did up to here, so from here to there, you guys can tell it's looking a little bit better. Obviously still needs like some areas here that need to be touched again, but just from here to here you can see a mass difference. I mean, you're definitely gonna be able to tell once we get to that area, but other than that, I mean, this cleaned up very nicely just because there's not much contact. you know, it goes like this, and so not many people put their shoes there or anything like that, but it's looking okay. All right, so this area, I definitely want you guys to pay attention to it. That's pretty bad. So with this one thing, I'm gonna go a little bit more aggressive. So actually get the carpet wet, throw in our degreaser. Now I am gonna end up using the hose to spray the carpet again. You're probably thinking, well, that's not gonna work. I wanted to focus in some of these little areas, like this one right here. Just really penetrate. I don't know. I'm hoping it was coffee. The other side's already getting some color, as you can see right there. And again, I don't expect it to come back to life perfectly, but I'll take that and this over some of these areas that are just pretty poor. But yeah, definitely that area kind of wanted to address it a little bit more. That's pretty gross. If you can't use gloves. All my gloves are at the storage. The greaser is doing wonders. It's only $3. Much better. So I got the entire carpet. My fingers, man. That's why you gotta use the proper equipment. Anyways, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start rinsing the whole entire carpet. Now some of you guys may be thinking like, well, how come you didn't do that since the beginning? I really wanted to focus on the specific areas that I showed you guys before I start rinsing this. Now that it's getting rinsed, more dirt's gonna come out. I'm gonna go with a brush and I'm just gonna start almost like, I don't know, mopping per se, so all the other dirt can come out. The tunnel, very important. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. It's kind of the product. Starting to clean up there already. A couple crumbs here and there from me moving it around, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. Hopefully we got some of the nasty colorness out of it and some odors or whatever, but yeah, let's let it dry.